Welcome to the third and final part of the Dimensions CM Jenkins out of the box getting started tutorial. We've now got to the point where we have installed Jenkins, we have created a Jenkins job, we have integrated the Jenkins job with Dimensions CM, so it's now pulling the source files out of Dimensions CM. And we're now going to close the loop on that build so that any outputs from the build are placed back into Dimensions CM. And we're also going to create a Dimensions CM baseline to record the outputs from the build. So to do this, we simply configure the existing job. We're going to lock the project in order to be able to create the baseline. We're going to add a post build action. I'm going to select an ant pattern and push back any X's into dimensions. In addition to this, we're going to tag a build by creating a baseline. To do this, we need to specify certain attributes, so we're going to specify the owning design parts, which I'm going to make the top part. So within this we need to specify product as well. We also need to specify a baseline template. If you're not sure about the baseline template, we can go to an existing baseline. We can see here the baseline type that we want to create, called baseline. And to do this, we can simply pretend we're going to create a new baseline. And here we can see the templates available, all items latest and all items approved. So I'm going to go for all items latest. Let's cancel that. Let's go back into Jenkins. I've already got the baseline type there, all items latest. And we're scoping against the project. We're now going to save that. And we can now go ahead and rebuild our project. I'm going to look at the console output, see what's happening. So again, we can see the files being copied, and as well as sourcing the file from the Jenkins 1 stream, we can see here that it has found two files that it needs to add, and just adds one of them just to meet the pattern matching hello.exe. And we can also see here that it's created a baseline as well. We've got a template here of Jenkins 1, so it's taken the name of the project and the actual name of the Jenkins project as well, which is also called Jenkins 1, and the build number. So we can see now that in dimensions, if we go back to the stream, we can now see that a hello.exe has been created. And if we go to the list of available baselines, we can now see that this baseline has also been created as well as part of the Jenkins build. So here we can see a complete closed loop build using Jenkins and the Dimensions CM plugin. This concludes our tutorial on the Jenkins build. You may also want to take a look at the Jenkins Getting Started tutorial, which gives more information on how you can set this up for yourself. Thank you.